Namaste. Hope all are fine. We are bringing a good news to all those members who want to live a life with Mahavatar Babaji in the proposed ashram. We have already issued a detailed video on 21st September 2021 in order for you to get straight to the point there. For all those members, all those disciples, all those who are seeking spiritual life, and all those who are sick, who want to have some support in your last leg of your life with the divinity, with other like-minded members, this proposal will be very, very affordable, very, very convenient, and a workable solution to be with all the like-minded members and live your life yet with Mahavatar Babaji. We have already acquired land for establishing Mahavatar Babaji International Center at 6 minutes drive from the Mysore Palace, which will come into our possession with registration, with approval. In about 2 or 3 months, we have paid the entire amount in our personal capacity. The entire land, whatever we are going to possess, will be dedicated to establishing a center of Mahavatar Babaji International Ashram. Those members who arrive to Mysore city, those members who directly arrive at Mysore airport, before going to Mahavatar Babaji Ashram, which will be further 1 hour journey, can relax and stay for some time at the International Center. The International Center is likely to be established very near to airport, maybe 4 or 4.5 or 5 kilometers distance only. From our center, we can very well see the aeroplanes coming and going also. Now the cottages what we are proposing is exactly within 1 hour journey from our international center of Mahavatar Babaji. This particular ashram, we are finalizing the land deal with 4 different parties. We do not know which will fructify, which will be fruitful. For successful completion and freezing the negotiation, and also security reasons, or giving more information to the negotiating farmers who usually back out after some negotiation. Keeping these reasons into mind, we will not be in a position to share the land details at present. In altogether, it will take exactly 1 year for us to come out with a very concrete ground plan, ashram plan, etc. We have already advanced money for the land to one of the parties, subject to further negotiation continuing. And with another 3 or 4 farmers, we are negotiating, whichever is within our budget. Whichever we feel the ambience is going to increase, improve, that place we will be finalizing. In this particular ashram, so many facilities we will be creating. Some of the facilities will be main hall for Babaji, in addition to sanctum sanctorium, Yagyashala, admin residence, admin block, play area for children, play area for elders, personal Yagyashala to be accommodated in the main Yagyashala, security room, laundry room, vehicle parking area, canteen, dining hall, kitchen, wash area, Siddha walking area, visitors room, etc. we will be providing at Babaji Ashram. These are all the things we are planning. But The work will start exactly from 1 year from now. For those members who are coming and enrolling quickly on first come first served basis, we are planning to offer land at very affordable price of rupees 1.25 lakh per member. A 600 square feet which will accommodate one hall, one bedroom where two persons independently, separately can sleep, one pantry cum kitchen, wardrobe, wash area, toilet facilities, etc. can be very well accommodated. We had a discussion with very prominent India's number 3 or number 4 company, size wise, volume wise. They have prefabricated houses with the ground floor only. Members can have the reference later to build their cottages within a period of maximum 10 days. We are only offering 600 square feet of area for you at the rate of 1,25,000 Indian rupees. We will give you rights for using the area of 600 square feet in addition to wandering, staying here and there within the ashram, exclusively for your personal use 600 square feet area, where you can build your cottage according to the design which will be common to all with at least 95% Vastu compliant. We will provide you the clean, workable plan for you. By paying just 1.25 lakh rupees of Indian currency, you can enjoy rest of your life in the ashram area. The holding rights for you for your life will be taken care of by us in our personal capacity. It may be 10 years, it may be 12 years, it may be 15 years. At least for 10 years, we will give you land, after which slightly there will be a monthly rental for the land only. By this way, less than 1,000 rupees per month is our outflow as far as the land is concerned, even if we take it for 10 years. This is a very reasonable, very workable. As the previous video, 5.25 lakh or 5.5 lakh to 5 lakh rupees was little heavy for the members. Also, there was some legal problems. As a result, we did not go further to proceed on the matter. We have effectively, very promptly, we have returned the money to those members who had already paid. So, having no balance to any member in our WhatsApp group or in our YouTube group, we are keeping this proposal before you. The total outflow for land for rest of your life for 600 square feet of area will be 1.25 lakh. Those members who feel that they need more time to pay can block your plot or the site of 600 square feet, block your area or block your site with a payment of rupees 25,000. In all, within a matter of 2 months, the project proposal will be completed. After 2 months from today, that is from 4th of December 2021, 5th of February, we will be closing this offer. After that, we will not be in a position to offer for any person. For each member, it is 1.25 lakh. At the end of this video, we have given you the bank details. You can deposit the amount and send us a very clear email to us. Based on your registration, based on your payment, we will register your name. The Mahavatar Babaji Ashram, which is proposed as such now on discussion, will be in a very, very prominent place where nearby area, residential school, farming sites, eco-friendly resort, organic farming, leisure area, etc. are coming up. In a matter of 1 year or 2 years, the value of the plots will appreciate 1:3. After we freeze, we will not be in a position to offer any place to any member who come in the last minute. So, let the grace of Mahavatar Babaji befall on all of us. Take a concrete decision. This is very, very attractive offer with affordable price, good ambience, fertile land will be available. As far as the soul garden is concerned, we will be developing soul garden in front of every cottage so that members need not worry whether they will have the soul garden or not. Every piece of land will have beautiful fruit trees, flower trees, ornamental orchards, etc. The total ambience of this particular place will be totally enriched with the arrival of Mahavatar Babaji. After the project has been launched, it will be a dream to have a cottage in this place. So those who want to decide upon, take a quick decision, take a concrete decision, have trust on the divinity, have trust on Mahavatar Babaji, have trust on me and Mataji. You will be with us, we will be together, we will enjoy all the divine spiritual showering upon all of us together and reach the destination where we want to reach and stay with Mahavatar Babaji eternally. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha.